أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الدرس السابع. Today we will take inshallah lesson number 7. Man hadihi, who is this? So over here hadihi used for female. If you are indicating female which is nearby you, so you have to indicate by hadihi. Hazihi aminatu, this is a amina. Waman tilka, and who is that? So we have learned before zalika used for male who is far away from you. So right now for female use tilka who is far away from you. Tilka fatimatu, waman tilka, and who is that? Tilka fatimatu, that is a Fatima. Hadihi tabibatun wa tilka mumarridatun, this is a doctor and that is a female nurse. Hadihi min al-Hindi wa tilka min al-Yabani, this is from India and that is from Japan. Hadihi tawilatun wa tilka qasiratun, this is a tall and that is a short. Man hada, who is this? Hada Hamidun, this is a Hamid. Wa man zalika, and who is that? Zalika Aliyun, that is a Ali. Atilka dajajatun, is that a hen? La. Tilka battatun, no, that is a duck. Ma tilka, what is that? Tilka baydatun, that is a egg. So over here in baydatun at the last ta mudawwara, in Arabic we say ta mudawwara, is that, so you have to use tilka. Ma tilka, and what is that? Tilka baydatun, that is a egg. Hazihi sayyaratul mudarrisi wa tilka sayyaratul mudiri, this is a car of the teacher and that is a car of the principal. Asa'atu Abbasin hazihi, is this a watch of Abbas? La. Hazihi sa'atu Hamid, no, this is a watch of the Hamid. Tilka sa'atu Abbasin, that is a watch of the Abbas. Dhalika dikun wa tilka dajajatun, that is a cock and that is a hen. Tamarin, exercise. Iqra waktub. Hadihi madrasatun wa tilka jami'atun, this is a school and that is a university. Dhalika himarun wa tilka baqaratun, that is a donkey and that is a cow. Adhalika masjidun, is that a masjid? La. Tilka madrasatun, no, that is a school. Hada jamalun wa tilka naqatun, this is a camel and that is a she camel. Hazihi madrasatun wa tilka talibatun, this is a school and that is a female student. Hada kalbun wa dhalika qittun, this is a dog and that is a cat. Hada baytul muadhin wa tilka hadiqatu tajiri, this is a home of the muadhin and that is a garden of the businessman. أشر إلى الكلمات الآتية باسم الإشارة للبعيد ذلك وتلك. ذلك used for male and تلك used for female. تلك أب ذلك أب. قلم ذلك قلم. ملأقة تلك ملأقة. عين تلك عين. حجر ذلك حجر. قميص ذلك قميص. قدر تلك قدر. نافذة تلك نافذة. بقرة تلك بقرة. مكتب ذلك مكتب. ناقة تلك ناقة. مهندس ذلك مهندس. مؤذن ذلك مؤذن. ممرضة تلك ممرضة. سرير ذلك سرير. حديقة تلك حديقة. طالبة تلك طالبة. جمل ذلك جمل. بطة تلك بطة. الكلمات الجديدة: الممرضة female nurse. الحديقة the garden. البطة the duck. المؤذن مؤذن. الناقة female camel she camel. البيضة egg. أسماء الإشارة للقريب، أسماء الإشارة للبعيد. If you indicate who is nearby you, you have to use هذا and هذه. هذا for male and هذه for female. هذا محمد، هذه آمنة. If you want to indicate who is far away from you, so you have to use ذلك and tilka. ذلك حامد tilka Zainab, that is a Hamid and that is a Zainab. So we have finished lesson number 7. Inshallah we will learn in next video lesson number 8. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.